your trusted source for in-depth motorcycle news, reviews, and updates. Today we have something incredibly exciting to talk about. The 2026 Ducati XDiavel S, Ducati's latest take on the muscle cruiser concept. Ducati is known for pushing boundaries when it comes to performance, style, and innovation, and with the 2026 XDiavel S, they've once again proven why they're at the top of the game. In this episode, we're diving deep into every detail: design, engine performance, electronics, riding dynamics, and how the 2026 XDiavel S compares with its predecessors and rivals. Whether you're a cruiser enthusiast, a Ducati fan, or simply a motorcycle lover, this is one ride you don't want to miss. The philosophy behind the XDiavel line. To understand the 2026 XDiavel S, we need to briefly revisit Ducati's vision behind the XDiavel series. Originally introduced to bridge the gap between cruiser comfort and Ducati's high-performance DNA, the XDiavel lineup brought a unique blend of long, low-slung cruiser ergonomics with explosive power delivery and cutting-edge electronics. The 2026 model doesn't stray from this philosophy, it elevates it. Ducati continues to merge style, luxury, and sport into one seamless package, delivering a bike that doesn't compromise in any area. Design and aesthetic evolution. The 2026 Ducati XDiavel S introduces a refined and more aggressive aesthetic, while maintaining its iconic silhouette. At first glance, the bike looks muscular, premium, and unmistakably Italian. Ducati has worked on a redesigned front fascia, incorporating a slimmer LED headlight with adaptive cornering lights, giving the bike a more futuristic and purposeful front end. The fuel tank has been reshaped for better ergonomics and a more dynamic posture. One standout detail is the use of brushed aluminum finishes across the engine casing and frame components, adding a raw yet sophisticated touch. The single-sided swing arm, a staple of Ducati styling, remains, and the new 21-spoke forged wheels make the 2026 S model look more exotic than ever. Ducati also offers a range of customization options, from dark stealth finishes to racing-style red and black combinations, to give owners more personality and flair. Engine and performance enhancements. The heart of the 2026 XDiavel S is an updated 1262cc Ducati Testastretta DVT-L twin engine, tuned for better torque delivery and smoother cruising dynamics. This engine now delivers a jaw-dropping 170 horsepower and 133 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful cruisers on the market today. What's impressive here is that Ducati has managed to squeeze out extra performance while improving fuel efficiency and meeting Euro 6 emission standards. New for 2026 is an enhanced ride-by-wire throttle system and optimized desmodromic variable timing (DVT), making power delivery even more linear across the rev range. Whether you're cruising at low RPMs or twisting the throttle for a highway pull, the engine feels both refined and ferocious. And thanks to a lightweight exhaust system with revised mapping, the 2026 model offers better response and an even more aggressive exhaust note. Transmission and drivetrain upgrades. Ducati has kept the belt drive system, a unique feature in its performance lineup, to ensure smoother power delivery and low maintenance. The 6-speed gearbox now includes a quick shifter as standard, both up and down, making shifts more seamless and sporty. This is a welcome addition for those who want a cruiser with the spirit of a sport bike. The slipper clutch also sees minor tuning improvements, providing better control during aggressive downshifting. Chassis and ride comfort. The 2026 XDiavel S is built around a tubular steel trellis frame, which has been slightly revised for improved rigidity and weight distribution. The rake and trail geometry remain cruiser-friendly, giving the bike stability at high speeds and a planted feel during long-distance cruising. However, Ducati has managed to shave off nearly 4 kilograms from the chassis, using lightweight alloys and updated components. The seat height is 755 mm, allowing for a relaxed yet commanding position. Ducati has included adjustable foot pegs and multiple handlebar configurations, making the bike adaptable to a wider range of riders. In terms of suspension, the 2026 XDiavel S now features fully adjustable Öhlins suspension at both front and rear, a first for the S variant. This allows riders to fine-tune comfort and performance, whether riding solo or two-up. Braking and safety systems. Safety and stopping power have not been overlooked. Ducati has equipped the XDiavel S with Brembo M50 monoblock calipers paired with 320 mm discs up front and a 265 mm disc at the rear. The braking system is managed by a Bosch 10.3 ME cornering ABS system, ensuring maximum control even when leaning into corners. Ducati's traction control, wheelie control, and engine brake control systems have also been updated for smoother operation and better customization through riding modes. Cutting-edge electronics and rider aids. Electronics are where the 2026 XDiavel S truly stands out. The bike comes with a fully digital 5-inch TFT display, which is brighter, sharper, and more customizable. Ducati has introduced a new Bluetooth-enabled interface that seamlessly integrates with smartphones, allowing music, navigation, and call controls directly from the handlebar. The bike also includes 4 riding modes: Sport, Touring, Urban, and Custom, each with adjustable power output, throttle response, and safety parameters. Cruise control, launch control, and backlit controls now come standard. Perhaps most impressive is the addition of Ducati Link App 2.0, which allows remote diagnostics, maintenance alerts, and ride analytics straight from your mobile device. Real-world rideability and ergonomics on the road. The 2026 XDiavel S offers an experience unlike any other in its class. You get the low-slung comfort of a cruiser, with the explosive acceleration and precision of a performance machine. Whether you're carving mountain roads or soaking up miles on the highway, the XDiavel S feels at home. The revised seat cushioning and enhanced suspension settings provide a more compliant ride, especially over uneven surfaces. Ducati has clearly invested time in making this bike suitable for both daily commutes and long-distance weekend rides. Technology meets luxury. Luxury is a core theme of the 2026 model. Ducati has partnered with premium Italian suppliers for touches like hand-stitched seat materials, backlit aluminum switches, and billet aluminum bar-end mirrors. There's even an optional adaptive cruise control system using radar-based sensors, a first in the cruiser segment. Add in heated grips, a tire pressure monitoring system, and a USB-C charging port, and it's clear Ducati isn't just building a motorcycle, they're building an experience. Competition and market positioning. In terms of rivals, the XDiavel S goes head-to-head with bikes like the Harley-Davidson Sportster S, the Indian Chief Bobber Dark Horse, and even the Triumph Rocket 3R. But what Ducati offers is a blend of Italian finesse, cutting-edge electronics, and track-worthy performance that few in the segment can match. At an estimated price of $26,000 USD, it's positioned as a premium option, but considering the level of engineering and luxury, it delivers considerable value. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? So, is the 2026 Ducati XDiavel S worth your attention? If you're looking for a motorcycle that merges brute power with elegance, cruiser comfort with sport bike DNA, and tech sophistication with handcrafted charm, then the answer is a resounding yes. Ducati has managed to evolve the XDiavel without losing its soul, and the 2026 model stands as the most complete and compelling iteration yet. Whether you're upgrading from an older XDiavel or stepping into the cruiser scene for the first time, the 2026 S deserves to be on your shortlist. Outro. Stay updated with Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for riding with us today on Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Ducati XDiavel S, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride. Got questions or want to share your thoughts on the new XDiavel? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from fellow bike enthusiasts. Until next time, stay safe, ride hard, and keep your bikes tuned.